Welcome to Aromatic Bangladeshi Kitchen. I'm Parveen Chowdhury. Today I am going to make a different dish. This is something for in the evening snacks you can use, and I will also show one simple thing how to make tea, because a lot of us ask how you make a lot of my friends ask me how you make the tea with like Bangladeshi style, and it's very easy and simple. I'm going to show that. But so two things I'm going to make. One, it's a pita. It's a pua pita in Bangladesh. It's like kind of sweet pancake. And then another, I'm going to make a hot tea. So to make this, I have so much ingredients. I'm going to introduce you to those what I'm using to make this pua pita. So first, I have some flour. Then I have some rice flour. And I have walnut. This is optional. If you don't like nuts, you don't have to use it. And then I have some shred coconut, little salt, and then I have like baking powder here. And this is semolina. Semolina is like optional too if you want to use it. It makes more like floppy, but it's make different taste if you use the semolina. And then I have sugar. I have oil to fry. And this is little warm water. I made it little warm, so it's makes easy to mix. And then for tea, I just need loose tea leaf and then milk. This is a evaporated milk, but you can use like carnation milk. You can use half and half. You can use regular milk. But I'm using the evaporated milk from the can just for the tea, and then cardamom just to give a little bit of flavor. So I'm going to start now. I put 2 cups of water here, and then my stove, I put the fry pan so it can heat it up. So before I'm mixing, I'm going to just put little higher so it gets start boiling my water. And then also the oil can get heats up too. So I am going to pour the oil there. It's need little bit quite oil to fry it, so I put that. Okay, so now I am going to, while this is heating up, I'm going to mix my flour and all the mixing for the pita. So this is, I have half cup. So I'm doing half cup is just fine flour. You can use any type of flour from the grocery store. So so this is 1 cup, half cup and a half cup. It's 1 cup. That I'm gonna do the rice flour, just a half cup. Also, I'll write the measurement on there. And semolina, maybe I'll put like let's see, like 1/4 cup. I'm not going to mix so much. So, and then coconut, let's mix it little. I'm going to put little bit of salt, just little, and then little bit of baking powder, and then sugar. Maybe I will do 1/2 cup. Let's say half cup. I think I need little more. So it'll be one full cup of sugar. So I'll mix it. It's very easy when you have like some guest come over and you want to do something quick, or if you're hungry, you want to have little bit snacks. It's really easy to make. So you mix this. I put the sugar and everything. Now I'm going to put the walnuts. I'll do like half cup, maybe walnuts. And then, so if you have nut allergy or coconut allergy, you don't need to put it in. So, and if you can mix it and put it for like 15-20 minutes, it will get more floppier, but I'm gonna make it today right away. So let's see how this comes. And my water, I warmed it in the microwave, so it's like you need to use some warm water, and that's it. Now you mix it. A lot of people use eggs, but I don't use much eggs. So you can use almonds or peanuts, any kind of nuts if you want to use it. If you don't want to use it, it's fine too, perfectly. So I'm going to mix it more, but I want to heat up my oil little fast, and the tea also. I want them to boil it quick. All right, so let's see. You want to mix it and look at the dough, how it is. It's not too light. I think I want to put a little bit more salt so it gets a little bitter. It's very easy to make. In Bangladesh it's called pua pita. In here, I don't know, maybe you can say sweet pancake or nuts, sweet nuts cake, something. I'm not sure how you can say it, but in Bangladesh we say pua pita. It's very similar, like fried dough, kind of like that. So, all right, I think my mixing is done. Let me show you the mixing. I want to see how this comes. You can just mix it and keep it on the freeze for 3-4 days. You still can, whenever you feel like eating it, you can just fry it and eat it. So now I'm going to see if my, I'll put it a little up. For the tea, I have just 2 cups of water. So I'm going to wait till it's boiled, and then okay, so my mixing is done. Now I can just start frying, but I want to see if it comes floppier or not when I'm frying it. So I'll just wait till the stove heat up. So maybe I'll put it high both. And then I'm gonna move some of the stuff from here, then I'll be back, so it'll be easy for me to fry. Yes. See, now it's coming like floppy. It's when it also depends what type of spoon are you using to pour it. So I think this is better. Yeah. Okay, so let it cook this one. In meantime, my water for the tea is boiling. The tea is very easy and simple to make, and we use it every day. So I'm going to put some, this is a loose tea. You can get it from any grocery store. So I had like 2 cups, so I put 1 tablespoon and little more, 1.5 tablespoon tea, and then cardamom, if you want to put it in, if you want to get a little bit of smell, good flavor, you can use the cardamom. So I put like 4 cardamom in there. So I'm going to let it boil. The more you boil the tea, the taste comes better. So let's see. Okay, now this is good. I'm going to try to make it little. So always when you're making pita, it's like first time it doesn't come perfectly. You have to like feel it how. So look how perfect this one came. And then you want to cook it for like till it comes brownish. Sometimes in Bangladesh they don't use sugar. They use like It's called like from how should I say? It's like it's called gur mita, like it's from the dates tree, and they make sweet from the dates tree, and those sweets they use it for this type of pita. But you can use sugar. Sugar is good. And people, if some people don't want to have sugar, you can just do it with the nuts and coconut. So let's see, my tea is boiling, and then this one came perfect. Okay, I'm gonna make a couple more. I can do it with this. And the tea is, I'm gonna keep boiling. I think it's done. So it's really easy to make this type of pita, but we get so scared like, oh no, it's gonna take time, but it's not. It's really easy. When someone comes to your house, or if you wanna have something came from work and wanna make some tea and little sweet, this is very easy. So this is kimchi. It's little brownish. When it's brownish, that means it's cooked inside and outside both. So you want to make sure it's cooked. Otherwise, inside, if it's not cooked, it's not going to be taste good. So, and then while this is cooking in this side, I'll finish up my tea. See how it's the color. It came the color. So just the loose tea bag, and then oil, water and loose tea bag is there, and then I'm just mixing some milk there. And look at the tea color, it's so beautiful. And then if you want to eat sugar, you can put some sugar there. I'll just do 1 spoon sugar. And that's it. The tea is gonna be done soon. And let me take this away because I don't want them to burn anymore. So the more you make, it comes perfectly. Actually, it depends how is the temperature and everything on that. And I put some paper towel there so it can soak the oil from the bread. All right. So this is done. And then I'm going to turn off everything. Okay, so all done. Then my tea is done. See how beautiful is the color. I just want to make sure. Okay, I think the sugar already mixed it. So you just use this so you don't get. Let's do this here. I'm gonna bring it a little closer so I don't spill. Okay, let's do this one. That's it. The tea is done. Okay. I'm back. Here is my pua pita and cha is done. Today is like snowing outside. It's very good to eat this, make it at home and eat it. You'll enjoy it. So thank you for watching Aromatic Bangladeshi Kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share my video. Also, Acton TV, thank you so much for recording my show. Thank you, everyone.